comes in from Darshan BP, who has a long-term horizon of 15 years and is investing 50,000 rupees per month. Most of his investments are in equity spread across large, mid, and small caps. And he asks if it's safe to have all his investments in equity or should he change his plan?
Well, his investment horizon is suitable for an all equity portfolio, but whether he should continue with an all equity one or add a little bit of debt to his investments, really he would be the best judge of this aspect. He should consider whether the ups and downs of the market make him too nervous. In fact, if we look at it this way, the last 10 to 12 months in equity markets have provided an excellent opportunity to investors to assess their risk appetite in a way that no risk assessment questionnaire or an investment advisor can do. If he reflects back on the sharp market fall in the month of March and thinks whether that made him too nervous, whether that left him with sleepless nights, then probably an all equity portfolio is something he should move away from and add 20-25% debt to his portfolio, which he can simply do by shifting to aggressive hybrid funds instead of all equity ones. But on the contrary, if he has been able to sail through these 10-12 months and the volatility that has been there during this month without much botheration, then by all means he can continue with an all equity portfolio. So this is how he should reflect upon his own behavior in the last 10-12 months to figure out whether an all equity portfolio would suit him or not.